After watching this video, you will learn the basic concept of area applied in calculating the floor area of a house.
Firstly, area is the number of square units describing the extent of the surface or space. What is a square unit? It is the extent of a square measuring 1 unit by 1 unit as highlighted in the figure shown. The units can be in meter, inch, foot, etc. When the unit used is meter, the square unit is described as 1 square meter. This idea is also applicable to describe the space using other units of linear measurements. In a floor plan, 1 square unit is shown as a box resulting from drawing limiting lines of 1 meter apart, both ways, all throughout the plan. A single box is 1 square meter. The number of boxes refers to the total floor area of the floor of the house. In this sample floor plan given, the house measures 9 meters by 9 meters. What is the floor area of the house with these dimensions? The pink lines are drawn to illustrate the square units. When you count all the boxes or square units, you will have the floor area of the house. Now, what is the floor area of the house? In calculating, you can count directly the number of square units for regular shapes like this or obtain it by multiplying the width and the length of the house. For instance, 9 times 9. So, the floor area is equal to 81 square meters or meters squared.